We have a beautiful logarithmic question on the board. We are asked to simplify log 9 over 4 base 2 over 3. What will be the result? I want to drop your answer in the comment section. Then, when you are done, click on this video and watch, okay? So we have log 9 over 4 base 2 over 3. Don't forget that 9 over 4 can be written as 3 over 2 squared, right? So I'm going to replace 9 over 4 as 3 over 2 squared. So I'm going to have log 9 over 4 base 2 over 3 will be equals to log 3 over 2 squared base 2 over 3, right? Okay, now according to this law, log a base c raised to the power of b, this can be written as b multiplied by log a base c. So now I'm having log 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2 base 2 over 3. So I'm going to have 2 multiplied by log 3 over 2 base 2 over 3, right? That is one of the laws of logarithm. The log of a power is the product of the power and the log. So I use that law here. Now, don't forget that 3 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2 over 3, right? The inverse of 2 over 3 will give you what? 3 over 2, right? For example, if you have the inverse of a is what? 1 over a, right? So if I want to rewrite this 3 over 2 as the inverse of 2 over 3, I'm going to have 1 over 2 over 3. 1 over 2 over 3 is also the same thing as what? 3 all over 2. And there is a law of indices. If you have 1 over a, 1 over a is what? A raised to power minus 1, right? So that means that 1 over 2 over 3 can be written as what? 2 over 3 raised to the power of negative 1. Do you understand? So that is the law I'm going to use here. Do you get it? Okay, so I'm going to have 2 multiplied by log, instead of 3 over 2, I'm going to have what? 2 over 3 raised to the power of minus 1. Are you getting it? Because 1 over 2 over 3 is what? 3 over 2. And 1 over 2 over 3 is what? 2 over 3 raised to the power of minus 1, according to this law. Do you understand? So I'm going to have 2 over 3 raised to the power of negative 1. Base is 2 over 3. Okay? Now, you are still going to make use of this law again, because now we have this logarithm raised to the power of negative 1. Do you get it? So 2 over 3 raised to the power of negative 1, I'm going to have minus 1 times 2 log 2 over 3 base 2 over 3, right? So now, because we now have the log of a number to the same base, 2 over 3 is the same as 2 over 3 here. And anytime we have, listen, anytime you have log a base a, when the same thing is here and here, you're going to have what? 1. The result is 1. So log 2 over 3 base 2 over 3 will give me 1. Do you understand? So I'm going to have minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 times 1 is what? Minus 2. So the result is negative 2. Do you get the answer? Don't lie. Don't lie. Do you get the answer? Don't change your answer, okay? Don't change your answer. I'm expecting your answer in the comment section. When you check the when you are done with the solution, which answer do you get? If you get this right, then you are correct. If you get an answer that differs from this, you are wrong. Kudos to you for attempting the question.